let's see my one. So you can see the density and the other parameters from centimeters. So you have to convert it into meters. And here, I suppose this is the correct answer for kilograms per second. Then to get it for the 1 hour, then again we have to calculate, we have to multiply it by 3,600. Right. So this is my answer. So please check your answers again, because I hope that you have used only centimeters, but you need to convert it into meters and then multiply by 60 to 60 to convert it into 1 hour, right? Okay. Please try it again, right? Here sine 3 divided by sine 7. So the values are 0.6 and 0.9. Then 126 multiplied by 7.5. Likewise, you can get the answer. Okay. Then there are some twin screw extruders. We have already discussed about single screw extruders. There are some twin screw extruders are available. So twin means there are two extruders, two screws inside the barrel, right? Here the positive displacement is there. We use the positive displacement as the mechanism for the door transportation. You can see how the screws are moving. So there are different types of twin screw extruders are available. Conical, you know what are the conical, and parallel designs, and co-rotating and counter-rotating. It means the moving rotation sides, right? Co-rotating means for the two screws are rotating similarly. Counter-rotating means in different sides. And degree of contact, based on these things, there are different types of twin screw extruders. You can see twin screw extruders, we can divide it further: non-intermeshing and intermeshing. We will discuss what are the non-intermeshing and intermeshing, and likewise we can divide. So these are the intermeshing screws. Intermeshing means, likewise you can see here, right? Intermeshing, counter-rotating and co-rotating screws are there, and counter-rotating means for the different sides. Co-rotating means for the single side. Intermeshing means here you can see one is both screws are rotating. Sorry, both screws are rotating. You can see the flight heights here, right? Within the flights, right? Within the flights they are moving. Okay. Then intermeshing screws result in greater residence time. It means the dough is there for a long time of the material inside the extruder. Meanwhile, non-intermeshing screws cause greater degree of shear. So shear is very high in non-intermeshing extruders, especially they rotate in opposite sides. It means the counter rotating. If they are moving similar side, we call it as co-rotating. Intermeshing screws are more effective and increasing the drag flow while reducing slipping of the material inside the extruder. Non-intermeshing screws provide high shear than intermeshing due to the open channel in between two screws. Four major zones are available in twin screw extruders: mixing, cooking, depressurizing and forming. Right? We will discuss one by one later, mixing and cooking, all these processes. So you need to understand that intermeshing extruders are, the time is very high, higher than the non-intermeshing, but when it comes to non-intermeshing, its pressure is and shear is very high, right? So those things I was planning to explain with you today. So please go through the calculations and equations carefully, and let me know if there are any mistakes in the calculation, and if there are any thing to discuss further, please let me know. I will upload these things to the LMS and also YouTube. So Vimukti?
මේ assignment 1 එක අද 12 AM ට කලින්ද හෙට 12 AM කලින්ද සෑ සබ්මිට් කරන්න ඕනේ.
ඔව්. අයි මදිද? අවසතියක්
දවස
3 days දෙන්නන්නේ.